Wow. There's like a spike in the audio. I know this mic is very extra. I was debating whether or not to use it, and I was like, it looks kind of dorky. I'm going to use it. Full disclosure, I've never really vlogged like this before. Like, where should I even look? I think I should look at the camera, but I want to look at myself because like I don't want to look at myself, but I'll look at the camera. Even though when my friends ask, hey, Michelle, are you doing all right? Are you going insane? I say like, nah, I'm fine. I'm chilling. The fact that I'm talking to a camera right now tells me otherwise. But anyways, this is an update to vlog. Okay, so it is currently Sunday. Okay, let's just. Okay. It is currently Sunday. It's been Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and now Sunday. I am on my 5th day of quarantine. So how does it work? So in the end of my last video, I was like, oh my God, trust system, blah, 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 blah. But actually the next day they came and installed a security camera outside of our door. But I have reason to believe that that is a scare tactic and not actually like enforcing anything. And the reason is because the security camera fell down because it was duct taped to the wall. It fell, and then we were like, hi, it fell, and no one has come to fix it. So my mother and I both believe that it's just a scare tactic. Another thing they do is someone comes to our door and checks our temperature, me and my mom, twice a day. So once in the morning and once in the afternoon. And I don't know if that's like a compound specific thing or it's an us thing. I've also heard of people having their phones tracked instead of a security camera. And then another cool thing is that trash gets taken out for us. So there's this huge trash can that they put outside of our door. And they said, yeah, just put your trash in there and we'll come pick it up. So that's pretty cool. It's really cool to see this being taken so seriously. And it makes sense. Like there's no reason for me to complain and be like, this sucks. I don't want to do this, blah, blah, blah. Another question I got is how do we get stuff? Delivery. So unlike America, shipping and handling has been nailed to a T in China. People think Amazon is impressive, but honestly, try Taobao. People think DoorDash is impressive. 美团外卖. For both of these Chinese variants, there's more variety on each app. It's faster. It's cheaper. So I can get groceries or hot food to my door in 30 minutes and anything really within 2 days. So getting stuff is not a problem for us. And I keep forgetting. I keep looking at myself. Okay. So another question I get asked is, can you messenger me? And the answer is yes. Facebook and Google and Instagram and Snapchat and TikTok actually are still banned in China, the American version of TikTok. But we have our ways. But we don't speak of them. Can you text me? No. So I changed my number into a Chinese number, so don't text my American phone number. Okay, so another thing I kind of wanted to talk about, I don't know why I'm talking about it here, but I'm just going to talk about it. How am I doing school? So I'm currently on spring break, and school starts officially tomorrow. Well, okay, the day after tomorrow for me, but on Monday. So there's 2 big changes here that I'm adapting to. So the first one is that my school, UC Berkeley, is completely online now, including exams. And second is that all classes are pass, no pass by default and will still count as they would for a letter grade. So even though I have to take my technical units for a letter grade, I can take them PNP this semester as an exception. So that's cool. Thankfully, I'm not taking any labs or classes that would require physical presence. So this works for me. But the greatest difficulty that I'm facing is the different time zone that I'm in. Okay, so check this out. Let's say our day starts at 8 a.m. You know what? 10 a.m. for the typical college student. This is my calendar view from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. with all the events scheduled in. Where are all my classes, you may ask? Here they are, from midnight to noon. Thankfully, all the classes are recorded, so I don't have to attend any live, but I do want to try to attend Chinese and corporate finance live, just because those are the smaller classes and tend to be more engaging in person. I might try this thing called biphasic sleeping, which, as its name suggests, is sleeping in 2 phases. Or maybe even try polyphasic sleeping, where you like sleep for 4 3-hour chunks or something like that. I'm also trying to leverage this unique experience to try some new things. What's so unique about what's happening? PNP in classes means I can focus deep work on the sections of a curriculum that most interest me. So, for example, in computer security, the math behind cryptography is not something you can usually delve too deep into without falling behind on like the new material that's being thrown at you. Another unique thing is that I'm in Shanghai. Like, Okay, even though I'm not really in Shanghai yet, but I will eventually be in Shanghai. And in Shanghai, we have good food, we have cheap food, we have nightlife, and that's something that I can experience as someone older than a high schooler, which I think can be pretty different. This clip really shows what Shanghai traffic is about. We have pedestrians, bikers, and cars all trying to steal the same lane. Oh, I miss it. And a lot of my high school friends are coming back. And that's also a very unique experience because unlike people who grew up in California, who can expect to see their old classmates come back whenever there's a longer break. For us, it's since the barrier to coming back to Shanghai is so high, you don't know when other people are going to go back. The big ones, of course, are summer break and winter break, but you never know. Like me personally, I only went back during winter break, which means those who only went back over summer break, I was not able to meet. But right now, due to this special circumstance, there is more reason for people to come back. And so there are a lot of my high school friends that are here. I think that's really exciting. And I do hope to hang out with some of them. If any Eagles are watching, please hit me up. And another thing I get to do is practice beatboxing since I can't annoy roommates. Disclaimer, the following is repetitive practice and has no rhyme or reason whatsoever. Proceed with caution. When the night girls come and the planet gets dark, and the planet gets dark, and the planet gets dark, in the moon, biscuit on leak, light will see, Okay, I think that's enough. And last but certainly not least, if anyone was wondering what it's like to have a vegan mother, when I say, "Mom, I'm hungry," this is what I get. Just kidding. I get fed pretty well. But anyway, this is Mother Mao.
这个是1年级、2年级同步的中国的课本，带拼音的。臭孩子，把你的拖鞋推走了。这儿，这儿找一找。傻孩子是很难的一件事。